is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Indraprasad Gas Limited. This company has steady business and the growth of the business is also very good. I have found a swing trade opportunity in this stock. Now let us analyze the stock on technical basis. This is the monthly chart of Indraprasad Gas Limited. The stock from the listing was in the same range of 20 or 40 range, 20 to 40 range, which is a very tight consolidation range, and stock eventually made a break from that range at 2009 and went up till the price of 80, which is double the previous high year. But the price didn't sustain, so it fell once again to the range of 40 and it took a support about 40 range, and the stock traded just in and above 10 bucks within the same range. And after the uptrend, the stock slowly picked up momentum and came near to the all-time high, previous all-time high. The all-time high made at 2011 range, and it broke that range with quite average volume, and it took retracement at the same time. And now the stock began its uptrend since 2015. That uptrend is continued till now, and the trend slattered at 2017-18 level, and it's just a small bit of consolidation happened there. And look at the candle here. The candle has very weak follow up because when the stock broke below, the buyers involved in the stock and pushed the price up to the range of 303 once again, but it could not sustain at that level. So again a candle is formed here with great bearishness, and once again the candle has counter candle here. It's a long leg doji, but doji become invalid once the price broken below, so the price took bearish again, but there is no follow up for this candle, and also the bullishness is seen quite high in this certain candle, because once the stock came down till the price of 243, buyers pushed the stock up to the range of 265, which is more than half the real body candle, and there is no proper follow up or a huge bearish signal, bearish volume or bearish candle. So it's good to be stay invested in this type of stocks on the time of consolidation. And once it broke the level up on 2018, it once again touched the moving average 21-day double EMA. It just moved once again below, but there is no follow up candle here. But the candle made such a huge down move, but it could not sustain at that level, and it made a counter move of upside for more than the downside move. So these all things shows that bulls are in power. Look at the candles here. Every candle has a wick which is smaller or bigger, but there is a wick in every candle. So this shows the presence of buyers, and finally by breaking this level, it made a up move on 2019 August, and now it's in a small consolidation range which is within the range of 513 for more than 10 months. So this can be taken as the good consolidation area. But now I have found a swing trade opportunity in the stock. Let me move to the weekly chart to analyze the chart in further. In this weekly chart, let me draw some major ranges to analyze the stock further. In this, the stock is currently trading just below the resistance line, major resistance line, and it also shows a symmetrical triangle pattern here. So one can take entry when the symmetrical triangle breaks. Now let me move to the daily chart to analyze the price target and entry and exit in the stock. So this is in the perfect symmetrical triangle shape. One can take entry above the level of 550 and first target is at 570 level. The stock has consolidated for more than 6 months, so it will give the return of 700 range, which is almost 28% upside from the current market price, at the price of breaking. So one can take entry above the 550 range and target is at 700 range, which is almost 28% upside in this stock.
So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button and hit subscribe button to get the instant notifications of the video once it published, and feel free to comment below your questions and queries, and thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.